Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check cookies on the CoookieRun OvenBreak application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find different buttons, for example the shop, the settings, events, news and others. New, if you want to check the different styles cookies, go to the left side of the screen and go to the third option, the cookies, under the gotcha. And in the cookie section you can find different cookies, and if you reach some level you can select caramel, banana cookie, cream unicorn and others. New, if you go to the pet button you can find different pet, but actually I don't have enough level, so I can't buy or select another. You can set the treasures and you can find the different skills for your cookies. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.